How to send money from Paysera to Binance. Follow my instructions. First, log into your Paysera account using the app or website. Make sure you have enough funds in euros, since Binance accepts SEPA transfers. If your balance is in another currency, exchange it inside Paysera before sending. Next, open your Binance account and go to the deposit section. Choose bank transfer, SEPA, as your payment method. Select EUR and Binance will give you the bank details, including IBAN and reference code. Go back to Paysera and select Send Money, Bank Transfer. Enter the IBAN, bank name, and reference number shown on Binance. Double-check the reference code. This ensures the money is credited to your Binance account. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Review all details carefully before confirming the payment. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Once the payment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation from Paysera. Binance will notify you by email or app once the funds arrive. Your euros will then show in your Binance wallet, ready for trading or crypto purchases, and that's it. That's how to send money from Paysera to Binance safely and quickly. Thanks for watching.